Good morning, everybody. Yesterday was very crazy. Um, yeah, too much crazy. So what happened yesterday was Nvidia was breaking out. I posted on the service that premiums always pay attention to premiums pricing, and also 4 hour golden cross. So on Thursday, some small amount of names start getting 4 hour golden cross, and on Friday, many more names got 4 hour golden cross, and after close, many more confirmed. And then Nvidia was very close to 500 closing, and it was running for 2 days on Thursday and Friday, and it had a nice close on Friday. Even though market was weak, it closed strong. And then as soon as it opens past 500, boom, it went. And when Nvidia goes, everybody follows. So that's how it works. And same thing today. I mean, if Nvidia goes again, market can follow. But if Nvidia pulls back, market can follow it. The market can pull back more. So the thing is, let's see what's going on. ES went up yesterday, just non-stop. As always, when you see a non-stop run until the 15 and 30 our MACD is upward, it can continue going higher. But the risk is the next day, which is we're opening red right now. So overnight 15:30 MACD dead cross, 1 hour dead cross, but we are still bullish on the 4 hour. Unless the 4 hour gives a dark blue bar, then we roll down again. If the 4 hour MACD you see on many names dead cross again, then we are back to sell off again. The pressure is down still on the daily MACD on many names. Daily MACD is still pressuring down. Until we don't have a daily MACD golden cross, these kind of events can happen. That have a rise up, then fails and go lower, and then we'll see what's gonna happen next. So anyhow, pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward on the ES. 4 hours still bullish on the TTM and MACD. Daily MACD is still pressuring down, and weekly is still very bullish. In order to get bullish again, we need to have open and jump up. If you see 5, 15, 30 MACD golden cross, we can run up again. But for in general, right now, trend is down. I will show you the levels on the SPY. NQ, same thing, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour is still bullish, and so as you can see there is mixed signal. Daily is still pressuring down, and weekly is still very bullish. Dow Jones, BA was hurting it yesterday, but it recovered, and still pressuring down on the 1 hour is downward, but 4 hour showing some sign of strength. So it's all about job report and CPI this week. RUT, same thing. A lot of the small caps were jumping up big yesterday, but they're pulling back right now. And if you see 4 hour dead cross, again we gonna have a bigger pullback. TNX was causing trouble yesterday. It opened very green, but then it pulled back, helped market squeeze up higher. But what's interesting is when it starts running up, market wasn't pulling back, and market was resisting to it. So, but today it opened high, and that's causing market pullback again today. In general, TNX daily is up, so gotta be cautious until the 4 hour is not dead cross on TNX. Don't expect a major pullback on TNX. Keep an eye on bonds. DXY, another thing that market was running up yesterday. DXY was pulling back, market was squeezing up. But again, what's interesting is that DXY yesterday was going up, but market was consolidating, and it wasn't pulling back. And once it stops going up, market is squeezed up more afternoon. So keep an eye on DXY. That's what it was, their behavior yesterday. So maybe that's gonna happen again today. We'll see. Wicks, we got 2.5% up. Daily we got dark blue bars. Weekly MACD is curved up. 4 hour is downward, so it's just mixed signal. All about 1307 and 1373. If it goes below 1307, market can get a squeezy again. Above 1373, market can get for more pullback. BTC. Daily MACD is finally golden cross. It's about 47k, not too far from 50k, and they saying, a lot of people saying Wednesday probably is gonna be approved and it's gonna be a done. So we'll see if it's gonna be a sell the news or if it's gonna squeeze up higher. Apple was a nice run up yesterday on the Vision Pro release news, but this morning is pulling back. 15:30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hours still bullish. So it's all about 183.2. If it doesn't hold there, it can go down again. but it's possible to touch it down and bounce up again. If it bounce up, 185, 186.45 is the next target. Amazon was a nice run up yesterday too. It's opening below 148.3. If right now 15:30 1 hour is downward, so if it continues lower, 146.85, 145.71 is the next target. But if you see 5 15:30 MACD golden cross past 148.3, next target is 155 150.55. Nvidia just a monster, crazy. This one, 30 MACD is dead cross already. 1 hour is dead cross, so it's most likely there's gonna be some people locking gains at open. Maybe it does some volatility, some yo-yo at up and down at the open. Maybe it jumps to 528, maybe it pulls back to goes below 523. So we have to see the actions. In order for it to jump up again, need to get go for a solid run up. Need to get a 1530 MACD golden cross and pass 528.93. If it passed 528.93 again this week or today, next targets are 536, 545.97. But if 523 can hold it, and because right now direction on the 1530 and 1 hour is downward, we're looking at 521, 519, 518. If it goes below 518, not gonna be good. In general, it's very bullish on daily and weekly. Weekly MACD is golden crossing, daily MACD golden cross yesterday. 4 hours still very bullish. So it's possible to touch down one of these levels and then bounce up if it pulls back. So that's just for Nvidia. AVGO was trying to catch up with Nvidia yesterday, but right now pre-market 5 15:30 1 hour is dead cross and pointing down. So if 1064 can hold it, 1055.27 is the next target. But again, if it jumps up, those are the next target for run up. Baba was trying to run up yesterday, but again fails. To this morning, daily MACD is close to dead cross. If 70 passes, 70.7 70.08 is the low of this year. I mean this last like how many months, I don't know. So if it goes below that, it's gonna be in big trouble. But for now, it's trying to defend it. We'll see. We'll see if the 4 hour golden cross can go for a run up. But if the daily MACD dead cross confirms, the weekly is already bearish, it can head for lower. If 70 passes, we're looking for 69, 67, 65. Netflix, it's very funny. Yesterday was very bullish, and today, this morning, and they got some like kind of a downgrade, but the price tag was 500. So it's kind of a weird, but it's going down. It's opening 10 points lower. Earning is very close. It's coming in 23 on January. So 474, 471 is the next support. 15 is already golden cross. Need to get 30 MACD golden cross for run up. But if it pulls back this morning, 474, 474 support. If you can't hold it, those are the lower level. 4 hour, we got dark blue bars. If it go dead cross confirms, it can go for a bigger dump. In order for a jump up, we need to get 30 MACD golden cross. Meta was very strong yesterday too, opening 2 points lower. Pre-market 15:30 1 hour is downward. 356 is defending right now. Need to get above 357.46 for run up again. Daily MACD is curved up. Weekly is still very bullish. It's stronger than many other names. If 357 pass, 359, 360, 362.5 is the next target. But if this pullback continues and 356 can hold it, 355, 354 at minimum can come. Tesla is just very wild, very yo-yo right now, and because weekly MACD is dead cross, but it's funny, we got a yellow bar, and daily is still pressuring down. 4 hour got a golden cross. It was trying to jump up in the morning. It pulled back, then again the market got a squeezy. It tagged along and went higher, and it had a nice, not bad close, but this morning market weakness causing it pullback. So 237.9 is the main support. Right now it's just hovering around. It goes below or above, come back to it. So gotta watch out. Once it passes 240, 240, 297, then it can get interesting. But if it goes below 232, it can be in trouble. Earning is getting very close on Tesla, and it's possible to get 270. Who knows? Maybe they have a good earning. The thing is, I like that the monthly chart got a light blue bar on the. Let me show you actually. So monthly, yeah. So here you can see the monthly chart. We got the first light blue bar. Last time it did, let me go back for max. So last time it did, you can see here, was when? On 20. October and January 20. and you can see what happened next. So keep in mind, Tesla, if the monthly curves up, continues going higher, it can get crazy. So anyway, that's just about Tesla. All right, Microsoft. Pre-market 1531 hours downward, 4 hours still bullish. Daily, MACD curved up yesterday, and we got a light blue bar. Same about weekly, we got light blue bar again, and but this morning is opening a little bit weak. Need to pass 373.52 to run up to 375.76 and higher level. If 371, 369 can hold it, those are the lower levels targets. Google had a very nice run up yesterday. It's all about 140. Still very bullish on the 4 hour, and daily and weekly we got light blue bar, so there's a lot of hope there. 138.55, 139.36 next target for uprise. If it passes those, it can go for another run up. Optimistic on Google. AMD, not so much pullback compared to other names because of Nvidia. It's all about 146.87. If it can pass that, 147, 149, 150, 102 is the next target. If goes below 145, those are the next support. Boeing is just going lower and lower. It's possible to get to continue going lower. The more bad news comes, the more dump can come, but it can be sudden. So they kill premiums on puts, but once the news comes, boom, it goes. So anytime you see 223 passes, we're looking at 218, 214, 211. SPY almost back to 471.77 major level. If we can hold there, we are back to 470.85, 470.12. But if it gets above 473, we can go for another run up. For now, 5:15:31 hours downward. Need to get 15:30 MACD golden cross for run up, but wait for that. Otherwise, its general direction is downward intraday for now, but it's still very bullish on the 4 hour. Once we get a dark blue bar, then we can talk about a bigger pullback. QQQ. 15 5 is getting a yellow bar, so and it's defending 401. If 401 can't hold it, we're looking at 400, 399. It's all about Nvidia in this morning. If Nvidia opens and jumps and goes higher, market can tag along and go higher again. So 402, if it passes, 404, 405.66 can come again. But if Nvidia pulls back and 401 can hold it, we are back to 399 on lower level. What else? You got IWM was interesting run up again yesterday. If it goes again, 196.97 is the next target. Coin is just a monster yo-yo. Yesterday dumped and it rise up, so it was just craziness. This one is just gonna be wild until this ETF stuff sells. MSTR, same thing. It was dumping yesterday, then it run up. It was just crazy. So, what else? Mara, same thing. Adobe was very strong yesterday, thanks to Nvidia. 586.57 is a key level to watch. I like that we got a yellow bar on the daily and 4 hours bullish. So once it passed 586 anytime, we can go for another run up. LLY was crazy. It dumped in the morning, then it bounced up and is holding up strong right now. All time high is 636. So watch out 630. If 630 passes, we're looking at 640 and 658. Those are the next major levels. LRCX, another semi name, all about 753. If it can hold, if we can pass that one, 763, 762, 774. Bidu and Baba were strong yesterday, but again pulled back again. Bidu was opening down, but it bounced up and again weak right now. Airbnb was very strong yesterday, but a little bit 1 hour is dead crossing right now. Need to pass 140.86 for run up to 144.71. SMCI was very strong. 316 if it can 316 if it can hold it, 312, 308, 306. If it passed 323, we're looking at 328, 333, 58. What else we got here? PayPal is funny. BMO downgraded to 66 from 118. Where were you between 118 and 66? So this one had a nice run up last 2-3 days, but for now is some weakness there until 15 and 30 is not golden cross. Don't expect a major pull up, but this one my target is 6209. To do a snow, another name was running up yesterday. 196.47 is a key for run up to 203. But if 192 can hold it, pull back again there. To do what else you got here? CRWD was very hot yesterday, and it got an upgrade this morning, and this one is all about 269. 269.05. If it passes 275.85 is the next target. 1 hour is not dead cross yet. Crocs, I mentioned it yesterday, nice jump up. 103.63. If it passes 105, 108 and higher level. Arm is holding up still, so 72.28. If it jumps up, 74.31, 75, 77.6. You got a news for a layoff, but it's giving away all the gains that it had pre-market so far. MTCH. It's interesting. I think it's Elliott or whatever firm it is. This Elliott, whenever they load something, it goes very crazy. So last time they load up when the market was weak, I think like 1 year ago, they load up AMD at 80, and it went from 80 all the way to 130. And now they load up MTCH for $1 billion. So keep an eye on it. Maybe this one goes crazy too. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, wait for the 5 and 15 MACD Golden Cross, and then can have a solid run up. If 30 MACD Golden Cross confirms, then market can go for a squeeze up. And but until then, direction is down on the 30 and 1 hour, and just be cautious. If 471 can hold it, we can go for another bigger pullback. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a lovely day.